Alright, it is 22 October 2017. Winter's coming, as you can tell by all the leaves on the lake, and also by all the leaves on our paddle boat. And normally I take this paddle boat and I put it up over there, kind of where that browner spot is, where the grass isn't growing so good. I'll leave it there for the winter. And I'm about a 300-pound guy, and so normally it's a fairly decent battle. Fairly fair for me to pull that up, but as you can also see by all that brown mud there, the lake is down probably a good foot and a half, and so that's going to make this lift much more difficult. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Kubota tractor over there and pull it up over here and see if I can't use it to help me get this paddle boat up out of the lake and over to its resting spot. So we'll see how that works. Alright, so what I think I want to do is tie that rope to the backhoe. That way I can pull it up, and not only pull it, but I can swing the backhoe around to help pull it up into the right spot. Whereas just backing the tractor up wouldn't do that. It'd end up pulling it up to the right too much. So we'll give that a try and see how it works. And I'm filming from we got the camera tripod set up inside this boat, so hopefully the wind doesn't get going too much and rock the boat too much, but I think we'll be okay filming from here.